Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Blake, and today I'm going to be explaining my memory map as well as my loop. Let's get it started. So here, I have the pixel array is assigned to this.get pixels. As you can see over here, my memory map, I have a simple and I have a complex, and here's my pixel array as we just spoke, and pixel array is underneath. Up top, there's a box created. My pixel array is going to be referring to, I'm sorry, yes, my pixel array is going to be referring to this.get pixels. So basically this.get pixels is the RGB scale for the image. So here I have values already set. I have red values of 255, 50, 75, 100, 125. That's all my red values. All my green values, here are all my blue values. After that, we assign pixel assigned to null. Here's pixel above it. Here's the box created, and as of right now, it's nothing assigned to it. Next, I have my int value is assigned to 0. So here's value. Int creates as a box, and as of right now, it's assigned to 0. Next, I have index is assigned to 0. Over here, my memory map is index. It creates the box, and it's assigned to 0. Here's my while loop. So it basically says while index is less than pixel array dot length. I can explain that to you on my memory map. So my index is set at 0. 0, as you can see, the pixel array starts at 0, so it is less. It is not greater than 0, so that is true. So therefore, my loop should be able to run without any errors. Next, I have pixel is assigned to pixel array, the index. So my pixel is assigned to the pixel array and it's starting at index, which is 0. Next, I have value is assigned to pixel.getBlue. My value is going to come down here and it's going to get blue from the pixel array. As you can see, the blue starting off is at 130. I'm sorry, it's at 30. So that now is going to become the value. And as you can see, my value has changed to 30. After that, I wanted to increase the value. So I said value assigned to value times 5. I increased my value by times in 30 by 5. So now value is equal to or assigned to 150. With that being said, we can now cross out everything that I should have crossed out before. So we cross out the 30 and as well as the 0. Those those values are no longer there. The value is now equal to or assigned to 150. After that, we pixel.setBlue it's now becoming value. So with that being said, as you can see, value is 150. No longer is it 30. For the pixel array, it becomes 150. After that, index is now assigned to index plus 1. That's saying it increases the index by 1 increment. All right, so as you can see, index is at 0. Index now becomes, let's get that out of here. It now becomes 1. Cool. And after that, it's supposed to run all the way back up here and go through the loop again. So let's do one more. Pixel assigned to pixel array. All right, so we come down here. Pixel goes to number 1 now since my index is 1. Value is assigned to pixel.getBlue. My value now should be 60. Let's change that. It's no longer 150. Value now becomes 60. change that to blue. Value now becomes 60. All right, cool. Then yes, we multiply value by 5. So now we're changing the value and we're timesing it by 5. Let's cross that 60 out first. I need to cross over black, but it's okay. Cross the 60 out first, and then where are you? Times that by 5. So now value becomes 300. Cool. Next we set pixel.set blue to value. So with that being said, value now comes down here, and what it was 150, I'm sorry, now it comes down to 1. What was 60 is changed to 300. Let's change that up. Get the black maps on that one this time. Cool. So now it is, change the color too. Now the pixel have became 300 by me setting blue to value. With that said, next is going to increase the index by 1. So now the index is going to become 2. And then it's just going to continue to do the loop over and over and over again until the end of the pixel array. Until it gets to the end of the pixel array. Alright guys, that's me explaining my memory map for simple and my complex. I'm going to show you guys what it did create. So let's get rid of that. Let's compile. Let's run. Let's go to an image that I chose. Cool. Okay, as you can see, it increased the blues by 5 of the value. Let's click on a specific area. So this blue is pretty high already. It's pretty much just going to be at 255. All right, so 157, 159. As you can see, it just increased the blue. 255 was pretty high, but yeah, changed the white flower to a blue flower. Pretty cool. All right, that's all I have, you guys. Thank you.